Hi, welcome to this session. I'm going to show you how to edit an Office document in SharePoint with more than one person. So you can actually edit an Office document like this Word document with several people at the same time. So I've just created a new Word document here called Lesson Plan. I'm just going to edit this and put some text in there to begin with. And then somebody else is going to come online and they're going to edit the document while I've still got it open. So this is quite a nice, cool feature of Office 365. You'll see it appear in the top right of the screen. You'll see who actually comes online and starts editing the document. So in a minute you'll just see Samantha pop up on the top right. So Samantha's just opening the document now and editing it. And there she is, she's appeared there, she's now editing this document with me. So if she decides to select some text, or she starts to edit a paragraph, you'll see that that text becomes highlighted and you'll see her name next to that text as it's being added to the screen. So you can actually all work on the same document at the same time, which is really useful for things like if you're in business and you're doing proposals and you're working on the same document together. If say you're a teacher and you're doing lesson plans, maybe you want to be a bit more collaborative with your department. So these have many different uses. You could also use it for students in the classroom as well. They could work on a group project together. They could all work on the same document. So it's like editing the same piece of paper, but with 3 different people at the same time. So you can actually be much more productive in this environment than you could, by using paper or by each making a separate document and then copy and pasting them together at the end. So they can even add pictures, they can do anything they normally can in Microsoft Word, and that will appear on my screen as they're doing it, which is quite nice. So there it is, it's loading on my screen. I haven't added that picture, that's been added on the other user's machine. So quite nice. In Excel, so I'm just going to create a new Excel document. So again, this might be good for if you're doing department expense claims. You could be doing some detailed spreadsheets together. For a teacher, it might be something like filling in assessment data into one spreadsheet. So instead of waiting for the other person to hand you the spreadsheet or getting multiple copies and getting confused which is the latest one, you can actually all do it in the actual live document. So I'm just going to give this a name. For an example, I'll just do a department expense form. So I've just filled in these fields, so I'll just speed this bit up. So I've created the spreadsheet and the other user is now online. So I'm filling in this spreadsheet and you can see that when the other user fills in the spreadsheet, you can see it's highlighted with their name next to that particular cell. That cell is locked for editing by them while they're still editing it. You'll see that update live. So it's really useful. If somebody wants to fill in some of these spreadsheets together, you don't have to wait for the other person to stop editing the file before you can open it. If you're using a shared drive, that's what tends to happen. The file gets locked out until the other person's closed it. However, there might be some cases when you actually need to do that. You just go to the list settings and versioning settings. And then at the bottom here, you can actually require that the document is checked out before editing. So if you do select that, when users come to edit the files, they won't actually be able to edit the files until the document's been checked out. So if I just try and open this Word document again now that the document checkout has been turned on, so it'll open it in read-only mode fine, but then when I come to edit it, you'll see that I get the error, the document's not been checked out, so I need to check it out first before I can edit it. When I do check it out, that locks it out for editing by me, so nobody else can edit it. So to check it out, I just go to the settings of that particular item, and then advanced and check out. So now if I go back into it, edit the file, and this time I can actually edit the document. might actually have checked out the document. So this Excel spreadsheet, again, I can read it fine. If we go to edit the document, it says it's checked out by someone else. As an administrator, I can override that checkout, but it does lock the file for editing for that particular user until they check it back in, or I override that checkout.